How do I build my portfolio? And I will challenge you to really consider this. I think of my portfolio as a house. So I build the foundation very strong. What do I mean by that? I invest in stocks that are secure and has a great history and pays dividends. This is my core foundational stocks. So stocks like real estate investment trusts, they are called REITs, they pay monthly. Perfect. Then there are other stocks like utilities, boring, but will last forever. Food, Walmart, Costco, these things I believe in. I will purchase that. They also pay dividends. And my favorite, the banks. The banks, they also pay dividends. The difference between REITs pay monthly, the other stocks they pay quarterly. So there are two types of payment, monthly payments and quarterly payments. So how I structure my foundation is to try and build a portfolio that pays me money every single month as a rule. Every 30 days, every few days, I get paid every single month. And how I do that is if a quarterly stock pays in January, it also pays in April, July, and October. And if I buy a stock in February, it pays in May, August, and November. And if I buy a stock in March, it pays March, June, September, and December. So if a company pays in January, I look for companies that pays in January, February, and March. And that automatically takes care of the rest of the year. And as my portfolio builds, I try to structure it to make it even. That's how I do mine personally. At the end of the year, it's still going to be a certain percentage, so it's not necessary, but me, I like steady income that I can count on, so I keep growing it month after month, year after year. I keep adding to have a consistent foundation. After that, I look for growth stocks. Growth stocks, Apples, the Googles, the Facebooks, these things, they move fast. They go up. They do not pay dividends, but they go up and up and up. They make an enormous amount of cash and they put it back into growing, into buying other companies, and they just keep expanding. These stocks are the walls. They are very important. And like I said before in an earlier module, you buy low. You can buy a great stock, but you can just buy it at the wrong price. So it's not the stock market, it's your knowledge. Now I have my foundational stocks. Now I have my walls. And then an analogy, the roof, which is the smallest part of the house, I would buy the stocks that are a little more risky. They don't really have a track record, but I can see that they are going to skyrocket into the future. And that's my whole portfolio. As I learn, as I educate myself, as I learn from my friends in the community, we share knowledge, and then I adjust my portfolio year after year, month after month. Let's recap this. Foundational stocks, dividend, monthly, producing income. As we go on, as we build, we want growth stocks. These grow faster, they move up and down really quickly. Speculative stocks, if you choose, can be a part of your portfolio, and these stocks have unlimited returns. We don't know yet, there's no track record, but you believe Amazon was a speculative stock. Nobody knew about it, nobody knows what it's going to do. Tesla is another one, and these things just go boom, make you a lot of money.